and
Yes,
just
Can I?
and one of the things that needs to happen is that we need to get back to teaching our children how to take notes. If they're
yes,
learning
Mm,
online, they need to take
mm-hmm.
notes. When I teach in the Zoom class,
yeah,
and they are taking screenshots and they're but I make sure I tell them you can take this screenshot, but during your study
Mm-hmm.
time, because a college student should study 3 to 4 hours per week
Yep,
outside of class. During that
yep,
time, you write down what you screenshot. You
mm-hmm,
need to take notes. And if you're listening to a lecture, an old lecture that is videotaped, take notes on that because
mm-hmm,
something happens to the brain.
right,
The brain is greatly impacted when you are writing,
right,
and that
right.
doesn't happen with screen time.
mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
It
There's a
doesn't.
study that says when students are taking notes that their brain lights up. The part
Mm-hmm.
of the brain that
Mm-hmm.
memory happens, it lights up. But that
Mm-hmm,
doesn't happen. That lighting in the brain does not happen when they are are taking notes and typing. It's
mm-hmm.
not the same thing. If
Is
you
it?
remember, someone in the comments said earlier that students need to go back to cursive writing because when we used to write in cursive and we would say those words as we were writing them, you know, studies show that you have to experience something that you're learning new up to 7 times. So they have to hear it. There's a connection in the handwriting, and they don't have that when we're taking notes online.